Hey there, welcome to our YouTube video where we're diving into a fascinating problem related to regex patterns. The problem we're tackling today revolves around a specific pattern requirement for strings that involve margin and padding for different platforms and devices, with a twist for .NET MAUI development. The challenge lies in creating a regex pattern that can handle up to 3 different sets of margin and padding values separated by semicolons, without any trailing commas or semicolons. It's quite a unique problem, don't you think? Now, let's delve into the solution to this intricate problem. The key lies in a cleverly crafted regex pattern that can effectively handle the given requirements. The code snippet precode --d1 3 ::d1 3 0 3 \d1 3 ::d1 3 0 3 $$ code provide a solid foundation for achieving the desired outcome. By breaking down the pattern into distinct sections and utilizing grouping and repetition, we create a robust expression that can accurately match the specified string patterns. It's all about striking the right balance between flexibility and precision to capture the nuances of the input data. Solution-oriented thinking at its finest. Building upon the initial solution, we can further enhance the regex pattern to accommodate additional variations in the string format. The extended code precode --d1 3 ::d1 3 ::d1 3 3 \d1 3 ::d1 3 ::d1 3 3 $$ code introduces a more versatile approach by allowing for 1, 2, or 4 numbers separated by commas in certain sections. This refined pattern expands the matching criteria while maintaining the integrity of the original solution. It's all about adapting and evolving to meet the diverse needs of the input data. Crafty, isn't it? In summary, we've explored a complex problem involving regex patterns for handling margin and padding values in a .NET MAUI context. By employing strategic regex patterns like precode --d1 3 ::d1 3 0 3 \d1 3 ::d1 3 0 3 $$ code and precode --d1 3 ::d1 3 ::d1 3 3 \d1 3 ::d1 3 ::d1 3 3 $$ code. We've crafted solutions that effectively address the complexities of the problem at hand. Remember, when it comes to regex, precision and adaptability are key. Thanks for joining us today, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Keep regexing like a pro.